Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Here becomes letters, crypto exchanges to receive professional profile from the regulator. Have recently become the last cryptocurrency exchanges platform to be granted professional profile by the Dubai Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. A statement from the company said the professional profile allows Herbie to offer virtual asset exchanges, products and certificates to pre-qualified investors and professional financial service providers. Spot and OTC certificates are limited to pre-qualified investors. The Xi'an cryptocurrency exchanges platform Huobi has become the latest digital asset certificates company to canvas professional profile from the Global Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. According to a statement released by the exchanges, this profile given hope neutral Martis Basset Niti the authority to offer a full set of virtual asset exchanges, products and certificates. Before giving Hobby is a profile for a head granted not a professional license to securities based crypto trading platform UKX. Also, before this, the regulator had shared approvals or licenses to Binance, FTX, and CoinMain. Meanwhile, in a statement, the crypto exchange said it will be targeting to call professional investors, conquering spot and over-the-counter trading certificates. Service said this will be extended to a limited subset of qualified investors and professional financial service providers. Establishment of regional headquarters have also suggested that getting that professional license purpose the way for the establishment of the exchange's regional headquarters in Dubai. In remarks following the granting of the professional license, Huobi Group CFO Li Sheng said, the Dubai government is community to turning the Emirates into a global hub for the further digital economy and being at the forefront of financial innovation. Harvey is optimistic about the Cathie Foundation and the future of fortune it offers, saying that her organization is looking to work to foster growth of the virtual asset industry there. We see this the latency from Harvard said in the statement that it has also obtained increases in other regions such as South Korea, Japan, and Gibraltar. Yes, thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.